Greetings everyone and welcome back to Stronghold Crusader with Crusader HD edition with the first edition trail. The 21st mission, the Desert Wind, May 1256 AD. This one is very difficult actually in my opinion. Well, we're just sitting here in the center between like four enemies, like three enemies fucking cornered us. And we have a guy, which is a lone Richard the Lion-Out, 3 pigs and 1 fucking rat against me and this guy. So yeah, every one of us has 2k gold, so we'll see how it will work out. Surely it would be easy, maybe not, I'm not sure. Nor do I want to ask. Okay, this should be enough. Alright, just some apple farms. Or no, you know what? We'll need to make some grain farms.
Wood needed.
Oh, never mind.
Recruits needed, sire.
A message from the rat.
No need to panic, Ratty. No need to panic. They can't stay calm.
Recruits needed, sire. Recruits needed, sire.
Go.
سيموتون روحي متعطشة.
The Lord is under attack.
Alright. Go up, you fool.
A message from the rat.
Please, please, don't hurt me, please.
الأفعى تتحرك. الشفرة حادة.
Gold needed.
Oh, this is great now. Yeah, right.
مستعدون للتحليل. المسيرة الطويلة. كالريح.
A message from the pig.
What's wrong? What's happening to me?
لن تسمع شيئا. سيموت حتى من
A message from the pig.
Dead.
Maybe pig is trouble.
The next guy now.
لن تسمع شيئا.
A message from the pig.
No! No! Pig not die! No! No!
A message from the pig.
What's wrong? What's happening to me?
And there we go with the stupid leg again. Well, let me just finish this guy one.
A message from the pig.
Pig not like this! Maybe pig is trouble!
We have taken control of the castle, sire.
Another fag down.
A message from the pig.
No! No! Pig not die! No! No!
Oh, for now that's it. Alright, I'll just save this for real quick. And see. Restart pig. Let's say that.
Saving.
Alright, I'll see you guys soon. And we're back again. Okay,
Recruits
we
needed,
now have
sire.
a lot of money again.
المسيرة الطويلة.
See, go. Well, since we have the space now.
Can't place that there, my lord. Can't place that there. Not enough work is available to run this building. Can't place that there, my lord. Can't place that there, my lord.
Doesn't really
Can't
matter.
place
I'll
that
just
there, my
do
lord.
this
Can't
and
place that there, my lord.
Just create more grain farms. Good. Okay, that should be enough. Alright, screw it out with the shit. Fuck's sake.
الشفرة حادة.
Recruits needed, sire.
That guy's still
Recruits
low on
needed, sire.
resources.
نحن على استعداد كالريح.
أمرنا هانك.
I'm gonna screw around with this shit. Let's see for a sec. Sell some of this. Sell the stone. Great.
الشفرة حادة.
More assassins now.
الشفرة حادة.
Okay, 35. When I have 50, I'll just go on.
Not enough goods.
الشفرة حادة. روحي
Okay,
متعطشة.
41.
ملاك الانتقام. الشفرة حادة. نحن مستعدون
Just
للتحدي.
3 fucking more and we'll be done. You know what? I'll just sell some of this again
الشفرة حادة.
and screw around with this fucking wood. I don't even need it anymore.
Gold needed.
هدفنا
Okay, 51. Okay, let's just go and screw them up.
المسيرة الطويلة.
Oh yeah, wait. Oops. Yep, there we go.
Not enough
We
goods.
should be fine.
الحصان سريع.
Gold needed.
نحن على
Yo,
استعداد.
Biggie, how are you, mate?
A message from the pig.
Yo, bro, how are you?
لم تسمع شيئا.
A message from the pig.
Maybe big in trouble.
A valiant effort.
Good.
A message from the pig.
No! No! Pig not die! No! No!
Let's just place more bakeries. Will be useful.
Can't place that there, my lord.
Some of these again.
Can't place that there, my lord.
Ah, fuck off, seriously.
الحصان سريع.
Recruits needed, sire. Not enough goods.
الحصان سريع.
Gold needed.
Not enough goods.
الحصان سريع. الحصان سريع.
We have 74 arches. Should be a little bit enough for now. Okay, right.
الحصان سريع.
Holy shit, there's still some.
Can't place that there, my lord.
Yeah, there should be enough. We'll produce some iron as well. More gold, gold, gold.
Not enough goods.
الحصان سريع.
Gold needed.
Not enough goods.
الحصان سريع. ننتظر.
Okay.
نحن أبطال. الحصان سريع. إلى
We'll
نهاية
just
الأرض.
immediately attack and
إلى
let's
نهاية
see what
الأرض.
we'll be able to function out of it. Okay, this should be good for now. Great.
We are under attack.
More gold is needed.
سموكم. ننتظر.
A message from the Lionheart.
My walls are strong. My men are in good heart. Bring on your slings and arrows.
Alright, we'll bring everything.
روحنا قطعة تستحي. الأفقار تتحرك.
We'll
Not
finish
enough
this mission
goods.
quickly now.
الشفرة حادة.
Old stocks are too low, sire.
They're no match now.
المسيرة طويلة. نحن أطفال، اركب مثل الريح. خيولنا جاهزة. الشهاب حسنا. الحصان سري، هدفنا واضح. بأمرك. اقتلهم جميعا.
A message from the Lionheart.
Events have come to a pretty pass when a king must cower in his castle. But cower I must.
They're dead.
A message from the Lionheart.
So, I am bested, and my poor bones must rest in these wretched sands.
Victory!
Alright, we finished it as well. It didn't take a while, but something like a few years and done. Well, we're at the 22nd mission, so for now I would like to say I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys later. But don't forget to share it and link it to a friend if you're new to my channel. Subscribe if you're willing to, and as always, if you wish me to record a game or you would like to recommend something, write it down in the comments box below or add me on Steam and we can have a chat about it. So I will see you guys laters.